When you create a multi-page document in Google Docs, one way to help readers find their way around the document and keep track of where they're at is to add page numbers. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to put page number in Google Docs. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we publish more videos. Don't forget to like the video. It lets YouTube know that content like ours is valuable to others. So let's get started. When your document requires numbers on every page, insert them and set them to automatically update when pages are added or deleted from the document. On your document, select Insert, Page Number, then select this if you want to number all pages in the header, or this if you want it in the footer. And so, the page numbers are added to either the header or footer, depending on your choice. If you don't want the cover page to be assigned a page number, start the page numbering on the second page of the document. This way, the second page of the document is page 1. So same process, go to Insert, Page Number, click this to add page numbers to the header of every page except the first page, or this to add page numbers to the footer of every page except the first page. And so, when you click one of those, the first page of the document won't have a page number, while the second page is numbered as page 1. By default, the page number appears along the right margin of the document. However, you're free to move it to the center or to the left. Select the header or footer, depending on where the page number is located. Then go to the toolbar and select either Left Align or Center Align. Then you will see that the page numbering moves to the selected location. You can also change the look of the page numbers. Select a page number, go to the toolbar, then change the typeface, size, and text color. If you later decide you don't want to show page numbers in the document, delete the page numbering. To do so, just select any page number, then press Delete. If the document needs to specify the number of pages in a document, add a page count. Select the relevant place in the document. Select Insert, Page Number, then Page Count. The total number of pages appears in the selected location. This page counts updates when pages are added or deleted from the document. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has helped you, say thanks by subscribing, hit the notification bell, and like this video. If you have any questions, write it down below in the comment section.